We have to make serious changes to cold dessert policy. We cannot allow the sorbet to infiltrate our ice cream parlors. We need to make a firm stand against this. We need to push and pass legislation that we can get rid of the scourge of watery ice cream.
A few moments later.
Look. I never said that we need to pass legislation to ban sorbet. What I said was, I have moral reservations about ice cream posing as real ice cream, which is actually only just flavored frozen water. I've never said we should ban sorbet. For God's sake, you stupid son of a bitch.